Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ford Ecosport vs Creta drag race full comparison. Watch the entire run and note launch technique, RPM build, and gear shifts for a fair judgment. I walk you through setup, tire pressure, and staging tips before each pass so results stay consistent. I describe how power delivery, transmission type, and weight influence who gets the edge in short sprints and mid-track bursts. In this section, I explain launch strategies and traction management for the Ford Ecosport versus Creta drag race. I describe heel-toe, launch RPM windows, and clutch feel where applicable, and how slight adjustments alter standing starts. I talk about tire temperature, surface prep, and how run and weight effects bite. You will learn practical steps to level the playing field when testing two different platforms head-to-head on a strip. In this break, I ask you to subscribe and like if you find this comparison helpful. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. The leak-proof meal prep containers I use keep food secure during long track days and pit stops, and they save time between runs. Check the description for the link and extra deals if you want to grab a set. Now let's get back to the video. In this part, I review power delivery, gearing, and weight effects in the Ford Ecosport versus Creta drag race. I explain how torque peaks and gearbox mapping change real acceleration, and why a heavier car may still win with broader torque. I cover RPM windows to hold in each gear for best acceleration, and how aerodynamics begin to matter as speed rises. Practical comparisons help you understand results beyond raw numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.